there.
You guys better get ready because I have the funnest game coming your way in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
How this game works is I have a basket full of prizes and I have a carton full of eggs.
What is that for?
They actually aren't real eggs, they're plastic eggs. Each egg has a number inside and each number is connected to a prize in my basket. Here's the tricky part, guys. I'm gonna drop the egg and if you catch it, you get to keep the prize. If no one catches it, no one gets that prize. Okay, who's ready to play? Okay, 3, 2, what? 1. Oh!
It's okay. There's still more prizes.
Okay, let's try another one. Okay, you guys can't be so close together. As you saw, you don't know where it's gonna drop. Be watching. Ready?
Yes.
Set? Who's ready? I don't hear any
But still, there's still a lot more.
There is still a lot more.
Number 9.
Come on, you guys. You gotta catch
I'll
it.
get it.
I don't hear any excitement. I have another egg.
Wait a minute. You guys have missed 3 so far. What are you going to do to make sure that you don't miss them again? What are you
Catch them. Catch them. Yeah. Catch them. I don't know. Catch them.
Oh,
I'm gonna do
Savannah,
this.
being smart. An idea.
Okay, guys, here comes another egg. Look at this, what I'm gonna do. I'm not even gonna see where it goes. What number is inside, Savannah?
10.
Here's number 10.
Okay,
Let's see what's inside, guys. Guys, what's inside?
That's awesome! That's cool! Guys, let's try it out! Okay! Whoa! Oh no, air! Whoa, air! Okay.
Now that you guys know there are some awesome prizes, Hannah is ready to catch another egg. Maybe I'll come over here. Maybe I'll come over here. Maybe I'll go this way. Maybe I'll go that way. Here it goes. Round and round it goes. Where it drops, nobody knows. So close, Sarah.
My arm! Dang it! Close!
Okay, here comes the next egg. Get it. Pop. Grab it.
I have an idea over here. Slide. A ball to put it in. A ball to put it in. I'm gonna get a bigger ball. This is not a perfect idea. I have a perfect idea.
Oh, you guys sure are smart. Let's see if you can catch an egg now. Here it comes. Here comes the next egg. Here it comes. Be ready.
Let's see the number. All right. Egg has eggs on it. 2.
Number 2. I think they're going to be excited about this.
I'm excited. That's a cool shoe. We don't know what it is, but a narwhal. It's so cute.
While I'm down here, guys, I'm gonna give you one more chance, and I'm gonna take the eggs back up with me that didn't get caught.
Yeah!
1, 2,
3, 4. Wait, there just needs one that's open. 5. Oh,
Ready? Wait, maybe we gotta put it in again. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, makes more sense. Whoa! It's shot. Oh, it'll get eggs.
Okay.
Oh, you dropped it. What is it? It's like 4.
Here comes number 4.
Open it. What is it? Nice red wrapping. Whoa. What is it? I don't know. What? It looks like Lego friends. You got Lego friends. Whoa, Gigo, good job. That's two birds. And a bunny. Good job, Geek. And hot dog.
Guys, we have a lot more prizes. Why don't you open that when we're done? Let's keep playing the game.
It's so cool though. There's a bike, there's a tree, there's a bird, there's a person, a hot dog.
Savannah, can we trade just for one try? Sure, because I've already got 2. You're welcome. Yeah! I can catch things now.
Who's ready for the next game? Here it comes, guys. That's okay. Let's keep going. Here comes the next one. Here it is.
Is that it?
Number 8. This is the biggest prize.
Gigo, you're lucky. That's a big prize.
Here's your prize, Gigo.
Whoa. This is huge. What is it? What is that? Bubble Whoa. I'm gonna keep these forever. That's so cool.
Hey, let's keep going. Are you guys ready?
Maybe I should let Az use my box for a minute.
Okay, we can trade. For this round, 1 round. Thank you, Gigo. You're welcome. All right, next round.
Whew, I'm sure getting my exercise from this game. Ready, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Here comes. Oh, green egg. This might be your lucky egg, Asbury.